Hi, it's Kathy, and this is the harmonic intraday's perspective for gold futures for March 8th. Okay, coming into today, I was wanting to see if price was going to be able to go into retracement mode of this bearish deep crab, the cyan colored pattern. Well, it started conglomerating into like a triangular type formation, and the midpoint of that is 1267.9, and that's where price is just kind of like stuck, right? So initially I'm going to want to see it break and hold beyond the blue triangle levels, and then more importantly either above 4280.4 or below 1263.9. The significant level for 1263.9 is a triangle point for a larger pattern than the cyan, and it does have further upside targets. It's another deep crab, but it's higher up than the cyan colored one. Okay, so this is what but first things first, it's got to break and hold. There is a little bit of a downside pull in that the momentum has become neutral, right? And we have a downside pull with the cyan dot, and we're testing momentum midpoint. So how price behaves at that midpoint while price is inside this triangle is key, right? If we get a surge below the midpoint and an influx of sellers selling volume, then it would increase the probability of testing this 1254.5. Okay, if it can't get back to the midpoint or it pushes off of it and you have an influx of buying volume, then I would look for a retest of the 4280.4 with a potential breach up to that 1286.8 area. Okay, now, okay, I paused for a second. I wanted the PRZs to kind of stand out. So I forgot where I was at, but what I'm looking for is if price pushes above the triangle point, I'm going to look for it to retest this initial PRZ, and it could breach above the 1288.5 to test that 1293.4, but then what happens after that is crucial. If price holds above this PRZ, it increases the probability of completing the larger crab, and the cyan crab was merely a means to an end. Now, if price is able to hold below this 1263.9, the initial retracement target is 1254.5, but that still could keep price in a sideways range. So really, I'd like to see it hold below 1254.5 to pretty much weaken the probability of completing this larger deep crab. Okay, so where it is in relation to this double pointed triangle at 1254.3 is going to be absolutely important, and it does correlate with its ideal minimum retracement target. Okay, all right.